formerly BLOXsport on Ford Mondeo. First, we need to measure the gap. The gap is 15mm. Second, before we use jet lift for the car, we should screw the neck nut first. Put the trip up to ensure safety. Remember to screw the neck nut diagonally. Third, use the rose remover and abrasive paper to clean up the valve hump and also the valve. Characteristic of the product is active cooling. Cooling the brake system while we driving the car. Install the valve spacer on the valve hump, and the neck nuts are decided especially, and they are fit for the valve spacer. Put the valve back, install the neck nut, and the recommended torque is 130 Nm, and then we can put down the car. Same step for the rear wheel, repeat it. Product's warranty is up to 10 years. This is the front and rear wheels before and after installation. Thanks for watching.